What happens when there is so much bad blood and fighting in a family that no one steps up to settle the deceased person's estate? No relative, no close friend. The court can find no qualified person to settle that estate. What happens? Hello again. This is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If you are new here and you like our content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. In these cases, the County Superior Court appoints a probate administrator. The probate administrator has a fiduciary responsibility to the estate and the heirs and beneficiaries. The probate administrator's job is to identify, locate, gather, and safeguard all of the assets of a deceased person, to include personal property such as cash, collectibles, jewelry, paintings, etc., items that are movable, and to include real property such as a house, multi-units, and vacant land. One of the first duties and responsibilities of a public administrator is to determine the value of the estate. Properly appraising an estate is a critical piece of the probate process. Once an estate's value is established, the public administrator needs to pay all legitimate expenses, debt, and taxes. Then find all beneficiaries and heirs and ensure that any remaining assets are properly distributed based on the decedent's wishes or the probate code. In some cases, beneficiaries or heirs are not cooperative with the probate administrator, which makes the probate administrator's job far more difficult. Probate administrators are accused of wrongdoing or self-dealing, which definitely complicates the entire process. Question of the day: have you been an heir or a beneficiary in an estate where the judge appointed a public administrator to settle the estate? If so, why was a public administrator assigned in your case? Let us know in the comments below. In general, under what circumstances would the court appoint a personal administrator to a probate case? When one of the family members have requested to have a public administrator manage the estate, or when the executor fails to act. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you know someone that's dealing with a probate here in Southern California, share this video with them. If you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need legal advice, please contact an attorney. If you need an estate planning attorney or a probate attorney here in the Southern California area, feel free to contact me for a referral.